the most powerful name in local news. Fox 5 News at 5.
Hundreds of victims may end up suing PCA and other food manufacturers involved in this outbreak, but they could have a tough time recovering any damages from the peanut processor. Health Watch reporter Beth Galvin is here to explain why. Beth?
And Lisa and Russ, one Atlanta attorney says his clients got sick, some of them really sick, after eating things like peanut butter crackers or an energy bar. And he is worried that the company at the heart of this outbreak could soon fold. And that could make suing Peanut Corporation of America very complicated.
Federal investigators believe the contaminated peanut products that made more than 500 Americans sick all came from Peanut Corporation of America's Blakely plant. But victims may have a tough time suing the company. This week, PCA's insurance carrier, the Hartford Casualty Insurance Company, asked a federal judge to clarify whether it is liable for up to $31 million in damages. Atlanta attorney Andy Childers, who's representing 10 clients who may sue PCA and other food companies, says the Hartford may have an exclusion in its policy that would allow it to avoid paying PCA's claims.
What would that mean for your clients?
That could mean that we'll have a tough road to hoe to try to find anybody out there that has the means to compensate the victims of this outbreak, because I do think the company is most likely going to go bankrupt.
And Childers says if PCA files for bankruptcy, any lawsuits against it would be thrown into bankruptcy court,
which would drag on for years and would be very, very difficult to get them the compensation they truly deserve based on what happened to them.
PCA says its Georgia plant was regularly inspected by both federal and state regulators in 2008. And the company says independent audits and food safety firms gave the plant a superior rating. But FDA investigators say PCA knew from its own tests its product was contaminated on several occasions, but never destroyed it or alerted the FDA or state.
On 12 occasions, not once, not twice, 12 times they found salmonella. Instead of throwing the peanut butter away, they had it retested and sent it back out for maybe my clients.
Childers is now represent clients across the country. 3 have received lab test results that show that they were sickened by the strain of salmonella that has been linked to this outbreak, and the rest of them, about 7 of them, are waiting on their test results to come back from their state labs. Russ and Lisa?
You know, the fact that that plant got superior ratings and audits ought to be cause for concern all by itself.
Yeah, there's a lot of conflicting information. The PCA says that the federal government and reporters are giving out misinformation, but they haven't really clarified, just said that they had independent companies to come in and take a look, that the state came in and took a look, and they found the plant okay to keep in business.
And I guess the question now is, how did that happen?
Yeah.
All right, Beth Galvin, thanks.